Welcome to the second part of the first video, which is about introduction to supply and demand trading. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys chart examples of the bases that I just told you in the first video, which are four bases: your rally base rally, your drop base drop, your drop base rally, and your rally base drop. Okay, so in this I'm going to begin by showing you guys the reversal. Remember I said they are categorized into two, which is reversal basis and your continuous basis, right? So I'm going to be beginning with our reversal basis. Okay, so if you look into this chart, if you look at this chart, you can see that price was in our drop movement and then price started to go up. Okay, but we need to understand why. Okay, so I'm going to show you the why. So because we had price that was in our down movement here, and then we have price that came into our consolidation, which is our balanced area where sellers and buyers are even or at equilibrium, where there's no decision. Okay, so the decision was made from this point here to carry price to the upside. Okay, so this is where the reversal started to happen. Okay guys, so this is the drop, and then this is the base, and then this is the rally, and then we have price coming back to the base, and then you have price reversing and then going up with the movement. Okay, so this base type is our drop base rally base type, and I've just shown you how you trade it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you again our rally base drop, which is also our reversal chart pattern. This is also our reversal chart pattern, guys. Okay, so looking at this chart, you can see that price was going up and then price started to go down. Okay, so we need to find why, right? So looking at this chart, we can see that price went up and then started getting into an area of equilibrium or consolidation here, and then price started to go down, right? So now this area here becomes our base. This area here becomes our base. Okay, and as you can see, price went up, went into a consolidation mode, price went up, down, okay, and then price started to go up into the base and then reversed and then went down or dropped more. Okay, so now this chart example is based on our rally base drop reversal base type. Okay, I'm now going to show you, we are going to move on to our continuous base types, which is our drop base drop. I'm going to start with our drop base drop here. Okay, I'm going to start with our drop base drop base type, and as you can see, price was going down here. Price went into a balanced or consolidation mode, and then price continued with the movement to go down. Okay, so if you can see, the balanced area is our base. Remember that the balanced area is our base, right? And as you can see here, price went down, went into a balance movement, and then or consolidation mode, and then price went back up to the base, collected the orders, and then started to go down, which was continuing because the initial movement is dropping. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on the chart again our rally base rally movement, which is also our continuous movement. Okay, guys, so as we look at this chart, we can see that price is going up here, went into a consolidation mode, and then went up again. Okay, so now the area of consolidation is our base. It's an area where we are expecting to react on, okay, which is this area here. This is the area where we're expecting to be reacting on, right? That's the base right there. And as you can see, price was going up there. Sellers and buyers were in equilibrium mode, and then the decision was made to take price up. Okay, so now this movement is to confirm the decision. Then the decision was confirmed, and then price continued to go up with the movement. Okay, with the initial movement, which was rally. Okay guys, so these are the 4 types of bases. Please go onto your chart, try. Okay, you always have to try before you say you cannot do anything. Try to spot them on the charts, save those examples, and keep on referring back to them on how to spot your bases. Okay guys, the next video, like I said at the end of the first video, the next video I'll be showing you guys the market structure and how the structure changes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have gained some knowledge from what I've just taught you guys. This is the first video of Technical Tuesdays, and there will be more coming where I'll be sharing more knowledge in supply and demand trading. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, turn notification on to be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys.